In the world of sound.
Car?
In the world of sound. Now we have constructed a square. A square.
Am I gonna stall it? Nah, it's pretty easy. No power steering?
I think it has, yeah.
Does have power steering?
The 84 currently came with power steering.
It's very light if it is. I mean, like, the power steering is light. I mean, it feels pretty good, like the steering feel of it. Click. Oh, that steering, or the shifter is so like 80s. That's the best way to describe it. Like a old Mustang, like 80s Mustang, that's what it reminds me of. Steering feel is good though. It's actually pretty, it's pretty go-kart like. This is a pretty nice wheel though, Momo wheel.
Oh
It drives pretty easy. Doesn't drive bad though for an 80s car.
So, it's been good so far. It's been good. I drive from South Carolina to here, so no issues.
Turbo flutter. Can I get on it first?
If it goes.
A little bit of a breakup. Definitely feels like SR though. It's got, honestly, the torque's not bad down low once it kind of gets going.
Yeah.
This is actually not too bad of a road. It's like, you know what I mean? It's like a go-kart track almost. Very cool. So I just push it off?
Yep, and brake. There you go.
Wow. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks again to the owner for letting me take out his car for a quick spin. It was pretty cool. If you guys already haven't, hit that like button. Do appreciate that. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's a totally free way to support the channel. It means a lot to me. We're coming up close on 3,000 subscribers as of me recording this. I'm going for 5,000 by the end of the year, guys. I know we can do it. I'm going to try to keep posting as much as I can in my free time. As you guys know, YouTube is kind of just a hobby for me. But either way, we have goals set. So hit that subscribe button. As usual, guys, thank you for watching. And, well, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.